Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a transaction on Wells Fargo. So let's get started. First, open your Wells Fargo app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner and then go to Account Services. Next, select Stop Future Payment and choose the account from which you want to cancel a payment. From the list of future payments, select the specific payment you wish to cancel and then tap Cancel Payment. And that's it, guys. That's how you can cancel a transaction on Wells Fargo. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.